Hi, Link Crew kiddos. Welcome. This is just a quick overview for your PAC lesson next Thursday, September 30th. As a reminder, you'll need to check in with your PAC teacher and make sure they know you're here. And then from there, you're going to head over to your freshman PAC. If you don't remember what room it's in, please check the attachment to this email. Your freshman PAC teacher should have this slideshow that basically what this is doing is opening up a conversation between you and your freshmen and trying to have a conversation and a dialogue about work ethic and effort. So these are the different questions that we're going to go through. And what you'll do is you'll basically just take a chance to look through the questions. And if there's a question that your group really focuses on, that's great. But if you need to skip a question, that's also okay. This is also included in this email, so you can click through it and view it at your own pace. You click through, go ahead and check out some of the different questions and maybe even think about the ways you'll respond. Try to engage all the different freshmen as you go through this. The last thing you're going to do is remind your freshmen of the end of the first quarter. It's coming up on October 21st. A lot of times freshmen don't realize that the grade at the end of first quarter is your final grade and you can't always make up first quarter work. Remind them to talk to their teachers and kind of get them prepared. Try to get them as caught up as they possibly can between now and then. And we know it's still just about 3 weeks away or so, but it's still really important to remind them. Have a wonderful time with your freshmen. We'll see you at the next club meeting, which is the first full week of October, that Wednesday. Bye, guys.